Select the ellipse tool. Select gradient for the fill. Create or select a gradient. Select no color for the stroke. Press Shift and create a circle. Select the selection tool. Press Alt and move the circle to the side to copy it. Select both circles. Go to Object. Blend. Blend options. Select specified steps and use an amount of 1000. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Move this to the side for now. Select the paintbrush. Paint a curved line. Use the selection tool to select everything. Go to Object. Blend. Replace spine. Go to Effect. Distort and transform. Roughen. I use a size of 40 and detail of 80, but you can also try out different settings. And that's how you create this fur effect.